Okay. Hello. Hello. These are the chickens we have for adoption, and hi, these are the chickens we have for adoption. They're little puppies, and this is the mommy. Stretch is their name, and they have pretty weird names too. And I call this one Mother Grandma because it's like.
The little boy. And here's the baby runt.
He's golden. Ew. Thanks, Mom. That's very nice. Yep. Okay. Let's see. It's okay.
He's a cutie.
And yeah, his name is Mother Grandma, along with
and he's
Goose,
a little boy.
And, yeah, he's golden and he has pink paws and stuff. Yeah, they heard the boy talking.
And he's got a curly tail.
At the moment. Alright, yeah. Next puppy. It's okay, Stretch. Yeah, his name is Goose. You couldn't hear it.
Is a little
But mainly
girl.
Mother Grandma.
A little girl.
Oh, this is Nibbler. Because she nibbled my nose the first time I saw her.
She's got a black muzzle.
She's her mom's twin.
She's got a black stripe down her back. Little girl. Very pretty.
Oh, by the way, these are for reservations, so, you know, reserve them wherever you can. Now go see your puppies.
Another golden baby.
This is
a little girl. Very fat. Very healthy and fat.
That's Goldie, isn't it? Or what is it? Goldie?
I don't know what you call her.
I just call her Goldie because I don't know her names. But yeah, she's fat and cute. And
She's
snuggly.
very fat. Very snuggly. Huge, big baby girl.
Act on her. She's so soft. She's the
She's like a little
softest
teddy
one.
bear. She's very soft.
She's the softest one of them all. Yeah, she's
Next.
Which one? Color?
We have brown.
Oh, that's Crush.
Crush?
Yeah, his mom crushes him.
Oh, he's got a beautiful coat. Little boy. He's got white right there. Beautiful, beautiful coloring. He looks chocolate. He's very cute.
Yep, his name's Crush. Alright.
Quite a personality.
Yeah, so far. Okay, next.
Next is the little black one.
This is Spook. He screams at
Spook.
us.
Spook is also a fatty. No, he's the only black one.
I like Spook.
And he's a little boy. A little white right there on his chest. Very shiny. Very pretty.
Shiny.
He's a cutie.
Look at his ear. Oh.
Yeah, he holds one ear up.
Well, 2 ears up right now.
Well, yeah, his ears will probably stick up.
Next.
Anyway,
My Spook.
that's all of them.
It is? Oh, it's not. Like
was
Goldie,
fine,
Mother
right?
Grandma, Spook, Crush.
Yep.
Is there one more?
No, that was all fine.
Wait. Mother Grandma, Goldie, Spook, Crush.
You got the little run in there, right?
Yeah, it's Mother Grandma.
Yeah. And then the other Goldie. Yeah, that was all of them.
Wait. Oh yeah, Nibbler. Okay. Yeah.
Yep.
I always forget about Nibbler.
So anyway, the father's black and white, and he's a Chihuahua, full-blooded.
And she's a chicken.
Yep. So
And they're
anyway,
chickens.
They are up for adoption, and just give us a call.
Yep.
Thanks. Bye.
No stalkers. High five.